In a beautiful sunny farm, all the animals are playing and having fun. The sky is bright blue, and the fields are green and full of colorful flowers. Let's visit each animal and say goodnight when the sun goes down. First, let's meet Clara the cow. Clara is big and brown with white spots. She loves to eat grass and make a sound that goes, moo. Did you know cows have 4 stomachs? Clara spends her day munching on the fresh green grass. As the sun sets, Clara the cow lies down in the soft grass. Good night, Clara, we say. Moo moo, she replies, closing her eyes. Here's Penny the pig. Penny is pink and loves to roll in the mud. She makes a sound that goes, oink oink. Pigs roll in the mud to keep cool. Penny is having so much fun playing in the mud today. As the day ends, Penny the pig curls up in her cozy pen. Good night, Penny, we say. Oink, oink, she snorts, drifting off to sleep. This is Chloe the chicken. Chloe is white with red feathers on her head. She loves to peck at seeds and make a sound that goes, cluck, cluck. Did you know chickens can remember over 100 different faces? Chloe is busy finding seeds today. As the stars come out, Chloe the chicken perches on her roost. Good night, Chloe, we say. Cluck, cluck. She softly clucks, closing her eyes. Meet Sam the sheep. Sam is fluffy and white, and he loves to graze on the green grass. He makes a sound that goes, ba-ba. Sheep have excellent memories. Sam is enjoying his day eating and playing with his friends. As the moon rises, Sam the sheep finds a soft spot to lie down. Good night, Sam, we say. Ba-ba, he murmurs, closing his eyes. Next, Holly the horse. Holly is brown with a black mane and tail. She loves to run fast and make a sound that goes, neigh. Horses sleep standing up sometimes. Holly is galloping around the field today. As night falls, Holly the horse stands calmly in her stable. Good night, Holly, we say. Neigh, she softly neighs, closing her eyes. Meet Gary the goat. Gary is white with little black spots. He loves to climb and make a sound that goes, ma-ma. Goats have a great sense of balance. Gary is exploring the rocky hills today. As the day ends, Gary the goat finds a safe spot to rest. Good night, Gary, we say. Ma-ma, he bleats softly, closing his eyes. Here's Daisy the duck. Daisy is yellow and loves to swim in the pond. She makes a sound that goes, quack, quack. Ducks have waterproof feathers. Daisy is having a splashing good time today. As the stars twinkle, Daisy the duck nestles by the pond. Good night, Daisy, we say. Quack, quack, she quacks softly, closing her eyes. Meet Danny the dog. Danny is brown with floppy ears. He loves to chase his tail and make a sound that goes, woof, woof. Dogs are very loyal. Danny is having fun playing fetch today. As the day ends, Danny the dog curls up in his cozy bed. Good night, Danny, we say. Woof, woof. He barks softly, closing his eyes. This is Cindy the cat. Cindy is gray with white paws. She loves to chase mice and make a sound that goes, meow. Cats can purr when they are happy. Cindy is exploring the barn today. As the moon shines, Cindy the cat curls up in a soft hay bed. Good night, Cindy, we say. Meow. She purrs softly, closing her eyes. Meet Donnie the donkey. Donnie is gray and loves to carry things. He makes a sound that goes, hee-haw. Donkeys have great endurance. Donnie is helping around the farm today. As the day ends, Donnie the donkey rests in his pen. Good night, Donnie, we say. Hee-haw. He brays softly, closing his eyes. This is Rosie the rabbit. Rosie is white with pink ears. She loves to hop around and make a sound that goes, thump, thump. Rabbits have strong back legs. Rosie is hopping in the meadow today. As the stars appear, Rosie the rabbit snuggles into her burrow. Good night, Rosie, we say. Thump, thump, she whispers, closing her eyes. Now we meet Tommy the turkey. Tommy is brown with a big, colorful tail. He loves to strut around and make a sound that goes, gobble, gobble. Turkeys can fly short distances. Tommy is showing off his feathers today. As the day ends, Tommy the turkey roosts in the barn. Good night, Tommy, we say. Gobble, gobble, he murmurs, closing his eyes. Here are Gina and Gus the geese. They are white with orange beaks and feet. They love to swim and make a sound that goes, honk, honk. Geese are very social. Gina and Gus are swimming in the pond today. As the stars twinkle, Gina and Gus the geese nestle by the pond. Good night, Gina and Gus, we say. Honk, honk. They softly honk, closing their eyes. This is Lucy the lamb. Lucy is small and fluffy. She loves to play and make a sound that goes, ba-ba. Lambs love to run and jump. Lucy is frolicking in the meadow today. As the moon rises, Lucy the lamb finds a cozy spot to lie down. Good night, Lucy, we say. Ba-ba, she whispers, closing her eyes. Meet Rocky the rooster. Rocky is red with a colorful tail. He loves to crow and make a sound that goes, cock-a-doodle-doo. Roosters crow to announce the new day. Rocky is busy crowing this morning. As the day ends, Rocky the rooster perches in the coop. Good night, Rocky, we say. Cock-a-doodle-doo, he murmurs, closing his eyes. Now we meet Ginny the guinea pig. Ginny is small and fluffy with brown and white fur. She loves to nibble on veggies and make a sound that goes, week, week. Guinea pigs are very social. Ginny is munching on carrots today. As the stars come out, Ginny the guinea pig snuggles in her hay bed. Good night, Ginny, we say. Week, week. She softly weeks, closing her eyes. Meet Oscar the ox. Oscar is big and strong with brown fur. He loves to plow fields and make a sound that goes, moo. Oxen are very powerful animals. Oscar is helping with the farm work today. As the day ends, Oscar the ox rests in his pen. Good night, Oscar, we say. Moo. He rumbles softly, closing his eyes. This is Debbie the duckling. Debbie is small and yellow. She loves to follow her mother and make a sound that goes, quack, quack. Ducklings stay close to their mothers. Debbie is waddling around the pond today. As the stars twinkle, Debbie the duckling snuggles close to her mother. Good night, Debbie, we say. Quack, quack. She softly quacks, closing her eyes. Meet Carl the calf. Carl is small and brown with white spots. He loves to run around and make a sound that goes, moo. Calves are very playful. Carl is playing in the field today. As the day ends, Carl the calf lies down in the soft grass. Good night, Carl, we say. Moo, he murmurs softly, closing his eyes. The last one, Bella the bee. Bella is small and yellow with black stripes. She loves to buzz around and make a sound that goes, bizz, bizz. Bees help flowers grow by spreading pollen. Bella is busy collecting nectar today. As the stars come out, Bella the bee returns to her hive. Good night, Bella, we say. Bizz, bizz. She buzzes softly, closing her eyes. All the animals on the farm are now asleep. The moon shines brightly, and the stars twinkle in the sky. It's time for us to sleep too. Good night, farm. Sleep tight, everyone.